Halo, jumpa lagi di FOMAC Channel. Kali ini saya ingin memperkenalkan produk baru dari FOMAC Plus, yaitu mixer DMX-B7500. Mixer ini memiliki desain yang elegan loh, dan mixer ini memiliki dua pilihan warna. Pertama, warna merah, dan juga ada warna putih. Mixer ini juga dilengkapi dengan 3 tipe pengaduk, yaitu yang pertama pengaduk twist, yang kedua pengaduk spiral, yang ketiga akserat gitter. Mixer ini juga dilengkapi dengan penutup yang memiliki corong di bagian depannya untuk memasukkan bahan pada saat pengadukan. Kita coba yuk mesinnya.
Put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah. I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah. I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Oke, kita mau cobain dulu ya mixer DMX-B7500-nya. Saya sendiri ditemani oleh Natalia.
Hai,
Kita mau bikin apa sih, Nat?
hari ini kita mau bikin cloud bread yang lagi viral.
Wow, cloud bread yang lagi viral banget loh di TikTok loh. Nah, bahan-bahannya apa aja tuh, Nat?
Nah, ini kita udah sediain bahan-bahannya, yaitu ada putih telur, ada jeruk nipis, ada gula, ada tepung maizena, vanila, dan pewarna.
Oke, kita langsung buat aja yuk.
Yuk.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah. I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah. I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back.
Nah, ini dia hasilnya.
Wow, memang mixer FOMAC Plus DMX-B7500 ini bisa diandalkan banget ya.
Nah, bagi sahabat FOMAC yang ingin memiliki mixer FOMAC Plus DMX-B7500 ini, bisa klik link yang ada di deskripsi di bawah ini.
Dan jangan lupa
Subscribe, like, dan komen.
nantikan video-video kita lainnya di FOMAC Channel lagi. Dadah!
Genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah.